All right, today we're going to be taking a look at a hammock, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy gear reviews, gear tips, and beard product reviews, then you've come to the right place. Take the first step, click that subscribe button. All right, today we're going to be taking a look at a hammock. And like the title said and the intro said, not just any hammock, a double hammock. Now, this is my first double hammock. This is from AnorTrek. This is an AnorTrek double hammock. I chose the color scheme of red and black. So we're going to take a look at this hammock today, and I'm going to give you my review of it and what I think about this, and basically should you purchase it and do I recommend it. If you're new to my channel, then you may not know this, but if you are a return viewer, you know that I do all my reviews from the luxury of a hammock. I have multiple hammocks that I use throughout rotation. And if I use, I'll go ahead and tell you, if I use a hammock in my videos sitting in, then it's one that I recommend for you. So this is one that I've used in the past in my rotation for reviews. But this is the AnorTrek double hammock found on Amazon. And a little bit of the specs on this. This is a double hammock. Let me look at my cheat sheet. It is 78 inches wide, or 6.5 foot wide. It is 118 inches long, or 9.8 feet long. So it is very much a double hammock. It weighs in at about 1.8 pounds. That is just the hammock. That's not the tree straps. And it does have this compression strap that is attached to the stuff sack. So that's probably my biggest and my only con with this bag, or with this hammock, is that this is attached. I don't see a whole lot of need for this, but there's no way to take it off. It serves well. It does compress the hammock and straps down. However, I'm just not a huge fan of it. So that's pretty much my only con with this. But let's get into it. So your stuff sack and your hammock are parachute material, and whatever color scheme you choose, the bag correlates with the hammock. So for me, like I said, I chose the red and black to go with my Georgia Bulldogs. So it comes with two tree straps that are 10 foot long each, and they have 18 loops. So if you're new to hammocks, what that means is you have 18 spots on each tree strap to where you can hook your carabiner for your hammock. So it gives you loads of adjustability. It's 18 plus 1, so it has one loop on one end, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches across there. And then when you get to the tree straps themselves, are 18 plus 1 loop, and they're rated for 600 pounds. So show you that tag there. That is on both tree straps. And then as you start working your way down, you start getting into your loops. So you have 18 of these loops. So each one is triple stitched in between, which gives you a lot of durability and adjustability with these straps. Like I said, they're 10 foot long. They are, and they are about an inch, a little over an inch wide, which meets the requirement for most national parks, national forests. They require a 1 inch wide tree strap. So it meets that requirement and gives you a lot of adjustability. So that is definitely a plus in my book when it comes to this. Now the hammock itself, get these tree straps out. You get 2 of those tree straps with it, and it is a gathered in hammock. So you can see the end is gathered. It has nylon strap in here with a carabiner fixed when you purchase this. Now you can take this carabiner off, replace it, but this carabiner will attach into any of those loops and form you your hammock. It is well made. It is parachute material, like I said, on the gathered end. It's triple stitched down here, and it's just rolled over and seamed together. Now in between your colors, it is triple stitched as well. So I've used this for multiple reviews, lounged around in it, hung it multiple different ways. Absolutely love this hammock. It's not ripstop. Ripstop's going to be a little bit lighter weight. So if you're not worried about the weight, but you want the adjustability, you want the space of a double hammock, this is definitely a wonderful option. And this storage bag, the stuff sack that your hammock is in, once your hammock is deployed and hanging from the trees, it's still attached to the hammock. So it serves as a little bag that you can put your cell phone, your sunglasses, anything that you may need to keep close by. You can use it for that. So it's a wonderful hammock. Like I said, highly recommend this hammock. It sells for less than $30 for a double hammock, which you can't beat that. So I'll put a link in the description below for this hammock. You can get over and check it out. Now once you click that link, it's going to take you to the listing. You have multiple color options. I think there's like at least 5 or 6 different color options, and you can choose a single hammock if you would like. If it's anything like this double hammock, it's well made. So definitely get over and check out this listing on Amazon. It is the double hammock from AnorTrek, and it's an amazing hammock for the price. Less than $30 for a double hammock. You're not going to find it anywhere else. So definitely get over there and check that out. All right, guys, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.